Today I'm going to show you how to make your computer faster. There are actually many ways to make your computer faster. Today I'm going to show you three of them. First, let's go to Start. If you have XP, go to All Programs. If you have Vista, just type in Disk Cleanup on the search bar right here. I have XP, so I'm going to show you the XP version. Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, Disk Cleanup, and make sure you check all of them and just press OK and yes. So it's gonna take out all the junky files which you don't need. And another way is this defragmenter, which you could go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, this defragmenter. On Vista you could just type it in, this defragmenter, and I already have it running here. Just click on defragment and it's gonna analyze the system first, and it's gonna defragment. Another way is by removing system restore points which you don't need. Just go to Disk Cleanup and then click on System Restore. Just clean up the components. I actually don't want to clean up my components because I have stuff on it already. So yeah. Okay, that's basically it. Thank you for watching tutorials. Please subscribe, comment, rate. Thank you.
Hey guys, let's basically restart our system. My Windows is actually shutting down because I click on restart. So yeah, I have the. If you see those kind of errors, I would recommend doing disk clean this like a check disk. And you'll see Windows booting normally, but after the Windows XP logo, you'll see kind of like a light blue screen, which you'll see in some seconds. And on the screen, don't press anything on the keyboard. And it says there's like a countdown, so 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's just basically going to start scanning and fix all the errors on your computer. This will actually, take off some viruses from your system. And just wait, and this will scan your system and delete all the errors in your Windows OS. It's gonna restart your computer then. Okay guys, as you can see, it's starting at Windows. Just basically log on. I'm not showing my status, my login screen, which that has my original picture. Just for privacy reasons. Okay. Just let your computer boot up. Let's just wait.
Okay guys, after you do that, most of the errors on your PC should disappear and your computer should be running like you installed XP right now. And watch my previous videos, subscribe, and for now you could email me on YouTube if you have any recommendations or any kind of if you have any questions. Just email me and I'll make tutorials on it for you. And Please subscribe. Thank you.